Hi, my name's Jamie Schmatzer. I'm an instructor for the Old World Alliance, and today I'm going to talk about another way to use fire cider. I bought one of these Italian dressing kits, and I'm going to make it with fire cider today. So, let's get into this. In here we've got a cruet. And in the back, we've got a lid and a couple packs of Italian seasoning. There we go. So it comes with these packs of Italian seasoning and a lid. And what's nice about this is that it has markers for measurements. I'm trying to get that on the screen. So there's vinegar, water, and oil. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is exactly that. I'm going to start with the vinegar, but instead of using regular vinegar, I'm going to use some fire cider. Shake that up first, and let's pour that into the vinegar line. Right about there. Now I'm going to add some water. There we go. And we're going to top that off with some extra virgin olive oil. Right up to the line. And we're getting close. There we go. Okay. So then lastly, to get it all mixed together, I'm going to put this lid on. That goes on right like that. All right. So holding that down, I'm going to give that a real good shake, mix it all up. And there we've got some fire cider salad dressing. Now if I want to, I can add the seasoning mix. You don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take the lid off, open the packet, dump these spices in. Of course, again, that is completely optional. You could just make an oil and vinegar dressing. Give that another good shake. And there we go. Doesn't that look beautiful? Fire cider salad dressing. Now all I need to do is make a salad, and I've got beautiful dressing to go with it.